Let's twist Kurimanjuu, the quiet friend who loves snacks and drinks. Please welcome in Clown Action!
Start by pumping up a 260 pale yellow balloon. Leave a 15 cm tail at the end. First, start off with a pinch twist for one of the arms. Make a 10 cm bubble, then another pinch twist for the other arm. Then another 10 cm bubble and tie back to the other side. This makes the head. Then make an 8 cm bubble, tie it to the other side. Then another 8 cm bubble and tie it to the other side. And now you've made the body. Underneath the body, make two 4 cm bubbles and tie it to the other side. This makes the legs. Now bring the balloon back to the top of the head. Squeeze out some air. Make a pinch twist. Squeeze out some air again. Make another pinch twist. And squeeze out some air. And tie it to the other pinch twist. Now you've made the two ears above the head. With the remainder of the balloon, pop it and wrap it around a few times to secure it. Now going back to the legs, pinch them in the middle and twist it around a few times to secure it. Now pump up a 260 mocha brown balloon. Wrap it around one of the ears. Then make a 4 cm bubble. And wrap it around the other ear for a few times. Now cut off the excess, tie a knot and wrap it around a few times to secure it. Adjust all the body parts to make sure it all looks symmetrical. And now the twisting part is done. Grab a black marker, draw in the eyes. Make sure to leave some room for the highlights. Draw in the nose and the mouth as well. Add the details for the ears. With a pink marker, add the blush on the cheeks. And add some more details on the cheeks with the black marker. And then, with a white paint marker, fill in the highlights on the eyes. And now you're all done!
Well, I have a balloon Kurimanjuu. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you, bye bye!